Morning guys, how you doing? Just giving some demonstration of the sort of work that I do as a botanical consultant. This is a beautiful sandstone creek line, Hawkesbury sandstone in the northwest of Sydney, called Parr State Conservation Area. And today I'm here with my son doing a threatened flora survey along a creek line. We're looking for a plant called Asterolasia elegans. We found a whole heap of it in this area last year, but we just keep exploring additional creek lines to try and map the extent of habitat. We're well and truly off track, and we have the pleasure of pretty much, slowly, calmly walking these creek lines and just seeing if we can pick up any plants. We've got beautiful sandstone outcrop, trees like Syncarpia, glomulifera, turpentine, some beautiful sandstone caves, and we haven't found it as yet down this creek, but we're hoping it shows up sooner or later. And unbelievably, just a few minutes later, they've shown up. So it's a member of the Rutaceae family, Asterolasia, and I think that refers to the star hairs that it has. It's like star bearing. It might also refer to the sort of star shape of the flowers as well. So it's related to things broadly like citrus. It's got these beautiful bronze hairs, and plants are here in large numbers, but this is the first time today we found them on the creek. It's got nice furry sort of velvety leaves, and they do have a nice sort of fresh smell. It's hard to describe, but there's sort of some a lot of these Rutaceae members, just like citrus trees, they got leaves that normally have a interesting odour. So we found it. We start mapping these out. We just put them into GIS software. So beautiful. This is the sort of habitat where they occur. It's amazing that we found them here, well and truly down the creek. So we've probably got to think that they're higher up on the benches there. Have to climb up there and have a look. And right at the same time, my son found them over his side. So that's pretty, that's happened a couple of times now. He shouted out and said he found them, and then I saw one a second later. So happy. We've increasing the sort of southern extent here of the known habitat. And plants were only discovered here about 6 years ago. They were known to be growing somewhere else, but they have only been discovered in this patch northwest of Sydney it was about 6 or 7 years ago, I think. And we're drastically increasing how many we know are here. There's been a fire in 2019, 2020, those really bad black summer fires in New South Wales and wider Australia. And it likes coming up after the fire. It can get a lot bigger than that. It can get to about 3-4 metres tall. But this is the first one we've seen today. Happy days!